How you doing, guys? Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super nice 69 Chevelle SS 396. A super nice car. It's got all the original body panels and floors. It's painted in Arctic white with a black side stripe. See the grille, bumpers, got a new front bumper on it. The grille and everything looks really nice in the car. Car's nice and straight down the sides. See the SS hood. Just a super nice car. Tell you, the white with the black side stripe on this car and the factory wheels on it really looks nice. Just clean, slick looking. All the window trim is real nice on the car. All this, factory stainless. It's got new taillight bezels. The rear bumper is the original. Does have a little bit of patina to it, but still looks really nice. It's got the correct bell tips on the exhaust. Super slick down the sides. It's got the factory SS wheels. The engine compartment looks real nice in it. Now the motor has been updated. It's badged as a 350 horse 396, but it is a Jasper 454. It's got your ceramic coated headers, power steering, power disc brakes. Looks real nice the way they painted the bottom of the hood. It's a super nice car, guys. I tell you, it's really hard to find nice, clean bodied cars anymore. This car's got all its original panels, original floors. It's got your Rosewood steering wheel. It's got the tach and gauge package, original AM radio, and it does work. A little tough to get stations. Headliner real nice. Got your factory buckets and your center console. Back seats all real nice in the car. The whole interior's been redone in this car. New seat covers and the door panels, carpet. Got tilt wheel. It's got your original jack and spare. Got the factory brochure, owner's manual. See the trunk floor's nice and clean. I tell you, I do like the car in the white with the black side stripe. Just super slick. They do have a trio of gauges also mounted under the dash. They're a little more accurate than the factory ones. Tell you, I like the stock SS wheels on this car. Just makes it look really nice, especially with that black stripe on the side. This car also has a set of electric cutouts, aluminum intake. Super nice car, guys. Got the electric cutouts. Roll into the cruise, open them up. Sounds tough. And out the back here, nice. Sounds real good. Super cool car, guys. This car drives down the road really, really nice. Just get in it, cruise it anywhere you want to go. Go to all your local shows and have a good time with it. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. Have a great day, guys.